Hello, I'm Neill Pert. I'm a security technical specialist at Microsoft in the UK, with a focus on Microsoft Sentinel. Today we're going to dive into some powerful tools within Microsoft Sentinel that can help increase your visibility of attacks and optimize your security operations. We'll cover 3 core features in the platform: MITRE attack mapping, SOC optimization, and the Content Hub Essentials packages. Organizations often start using Sentinel using the free ingestion sources, pulling data from Azure, Office 365, Entra ID, and security alerts from the Defender stack. However, without a clear path forward, organizations will often miss out on the deeper visibility that Sentinel can offer across the attack kill chain. Today, I'll show you how you can leverage these tools to strengthen your security posture and take your operations to the next level. The MITRE attack framework is a globally recognized model that maps real-world adversarial tactics and techniques. Sentinel integrates this framework directly into its platform, giving you and your security team a powerful way to understand and address these potential threats. The MITRE attack blade in Sentinel provides a visual representation of your detection coverage, like initial access, persistence, and privilege escalation is broken down into associated techniques. Sentinel maps your current detection rules to these techniques, showing you where your coverage is strong and where your gaps exist. We can click on each of these techniques to get an understanding of where we have associated alerts and all the detection rules we currently have deployed. From here, we can also simulate how using different types of rules can improve your current coverage. This now shows us how the built-in content can help cover our gaps. Clicking on each of the techniques now provides us with details on the simulated coverage, and we can follow those links to deploy the rules into our environment. This is a great way to start if you're aware of particular gaps in your MITRE coverage, or if you need to get an understanding of where you need to focus attention. Each recommended detection rule will provide you with an example of where you can source the data for detection, such as from a firewall, proxy, a third-party cloud provider, and much more. Now, let's move on to SOC optimization, which is one of our newer features in Microsoft Sentinel aimed at helping you to improve your operational efficiency. This tool is designed to help your security team optimize log ingestion and improve your coverage against threat scenarios, such as human-operated ransomware. SOC optimization shows us our recent improvements, a summary of our data ingestion, along with some threat-based recommendations. These give you a bird's-eye view of your environment, allowing you to track your progress as you continue to improve your Sentinel deployment. It also surfaces recommendations in clear actionable cards, which currently fall into 2 main categories: data value optimizations, which highlight underused or unused logs, and threat-based coverage optimizations, which map your detections to specific threats and shows you where additional analytics rules or connectors to other data sources could help to improve your coverage. For each recommendation, you're just a few clicks away from action. The first will give us a breakdown of the particular recommendation, a description of how the table is currently underutilized as an example. We'll then make a recommendation to deploy some new analytics rules to improve your detections against this source, or suggest that you move that particular table to a lower cost storage tier to save some money. If the recommendation is relating to a threat scenario such as business email compromise, then you'll see a breakdown of your current coverage versus what that would look like with the recommendations in place, all mapped to the MITRE attack framework. You can deploy the suggested rules by following the link to the Content Hub to find the curated list of rules to help you improve coverage, or you can follow the link to the table settings to adjust the storage tier. These recommendations are refreshed daily, so you always have the latest insights based on your environment. SOC optimization isn't just there to help you reduce cost, but also ensures every log you ingest has better security value. And it can provide valuable insight into how you can bring in new data sources to increase your visibility over key threat scenarios. And finally, the Content Hub Essentials packages are a great way to fast-track your security setup in Sentinel. These are pre-built solutions that include connectors to various data sources, analytics rules, hunting queries, workbooks, and automation playbooks tailored to specific use cases. You can access these packages from the Content Hub and searching for Essentials. There's a number of Essentials packages available that cover DNS, network session, identity, and more. Selecting an Essentials package will provide you with an understanding of why this particular solution is important for detecting threats and what business benefit it will provide. It also will include a list of sources, both Microsoft and third-party sources, that you can use to increase your coverage. To deploy these, you can simply click Install and follow all the necessary steps to set up your connectors. These essential packages require minimal configuration, meaning you'll start to see the value immediately. However, if you need, you can still customize the built-in rules and dashboards to fit your unique environment. These are ideal when you want to quickly enhance your security coverage. Conclusion. To wrap up, we've explored 3 power tools in Microsoft Sentinel. MITRE ATT&CK mapping, to visualize and fill in gaps in your detection coverage. SOC optimization, to optimize your operations for efficiency, coverage, and cost management. Content Hub Essentials packages, to quickly deploy and tailor security solutions. These features can significantly enhance your visibility, enabling you to respond faster and more effectively. If you're interested in more ways you can enhance your visibility within Sentinel, check out other bite-sized videos walking you through a range of use cases you can deploy within Sentinel to further increase your coverage. Thank you for joining me, and good luck.